जय जगन्नाथ। Welcome to Odisha Current Affairs YouTube channel. Let's discuss all the important current affairs of this week. The Cabinet Committee of Economic Affairs has cleared about Union governments how much stock sell in Hindustan Zinc Limited. The right answer is option C, 29.5%. Reserve Bank of India has imposed a penalty of how many lakhs of rupees on Japan-based MUFG Bank? The right answer is option B, 45 lakhs. Which team has become the champion of IPL 2022, beating Rajasthan Royals by 7 wickets? The right answer is option D, Gujarat Titans. According to recently released Civil Service Examination 2021 result by UPSC, how many students have qualified to got appointment? The right answer is option A, 685. Who has topped in recently released Civil Service Examination 2021 result? The right answer is option C, Shruti Sharma. Which country has become India's biggest trading partner in 2021-22 with $119 billion trading? The right answer is option A, USA. Which motor company has signed an MOU with Gujarat government to buy a Sanand plant of Ford India? The right answer is option A, Tata Motors. Which country has been selected as the country of focus in the 17th Mumbai International Film Festival 2022? The right answer is option D, Bangladesh. Which Indian has been chosen for Cannes jury in 2022? The right answer is option B, Deepika Padukone. When is World No Tobacco Day observed? The right answer is option A, 31st May. Which state has been selected by a World Health Organization for the World No Tobacco Day Award 2022 due to its efforts in controlling tobacco consumption? The right answer is option C, Jharkhand. Researchers of which IIT have revealed the mechanisms driving the evolution of SARS-CoV-2 in human? The right answer is option A, Delhi. Which life insurance company has launched a saving life insurance plan called Bima Ratna? The right answer is option C, LIC. Union government has extended PM Employment Generation Program till which fiscal year? The right answer is option B, 2026. Researchers of which IIT have developed an algorithm to protect air traffic control? The right answer is option A, Madras. Who has been appointed as the new MD and CEO of National Assets Reconstruction Company Limited? The right answer is option D, Natarajan Sundar. Border Coordination Conference between India and which country has been started at Sylhet on 30 May 2022? The right answer is option B, Bangladesh. Where has Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik has inaugurated Cyber Security Operation Center to protect government data? The right answer is option C, Bhubaneswar. India has won bronze medal in Asia Cup Men's Hockey 2022 at Jakarta by beating which nation? The right answer is option A, Indonesia. Indian women's shooting team has won gold medal in 10-meter rifle women's team event in ISSF World Cup 2022 by beating which country? The right answer is option C, Denmark. Which state has won the 12th Hockey India Junior Men's National Championship 2022? The right answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. Who has laid the foundation stone for Ram Mandir's Garbhagriha in Ayodhya? The right answer is option B, Yogi Adityanath. Which state's chief minister has launched a new health and wellness mobile application Ayu? The right answer is option C, Karnataka. Who has released Biodiversity Policy 2022 for environment conservation? The right answer is option A, NTPC. According to recent FIH World Rankings, what is the rank of India? The right answer is option D, 4. When is World Milk Day observed? The right answer is option A, 1st June. When is Global Day of Parents observed? The right answer is option D, 1st June. Which country has become the champion in Asia Cup Men's Hockey 2022? The right answer is option D, South Korea. Who has become the first Indian chef to be ranked in top 10 global chef in the world by Gadget Review? The right answer is option B, Vikas Khanna. Where has 11th India-Italy Military Cooperation Group been held from 31st May to 1st June 2022? The right answer is option A, Rome. Which country has rejected Indian wheat consignment? The right answer is option C, Turkey. Who has been appointed as the new DG of National Informatics Center? The right answer is option A, Rajesh Gera. Which state government has abolished the physical stamp paper? The right answer is option D, Punjab. Where has India and Sweden hosted Leadership for Industry Transition on 1st June 2022? The right answer is option B, Stockholm. When is World Bicycle Day celebrated? The right answer is option C, 3rd June. Where has North India's first industrial biotech park inaugurated in Jammu and Kashmir by Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha and Union Minister Jitendra Singh? The right answer is option B, Kathua. Which bank's research report has estimated that the Indian economy will grow at 7.5% in 2022-23? The right answer is option C, SBI. Who has approved Turkey's request to change its name from Turkey to Turkey on 1st June 2022? The right answer is option D, UN. Who has signed the contract to construct the Noida International Airport at Jewar of Uttar Pradesh? The right answer is option C, Tata Projects. Researchers of which country has recently discovered world's largest plant? The right answer is option C, Australia. Which union minister has announced that the central government is planning to set up PM Shri schools? The right answer is option D, Dharmendra Pradhan. Which IIM has launched India's first Agri Land Price Index? The right answer is option B, Ahmedabad. Anna Sibahara and Wesley Koolhof of Netherlands have won the mixed doubles title in which tennis open on 2nd June 2022? The right answer is option B, French Open. Where has India's first liquid mirror telescope been commissioned? The right answer is option D, Devasthala of Uttarakhand. Xavier Olivan, by replacing Sheryl Sandberg, has become the next chief operating officer of which American company? The right answer is option A, Meta. S.L. Thausen has been appointed as the new DG of which Central Security Force? The right answer is option C, Sashastra Seema Bal. Which state will host the Khelo India Youth Games 2021 from 4 June 2022? The right answer is option D, Haryana. Ashwani Bhatia has taken charge as a whole-time member of which economic body? The right answer is option C, SEBI. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more update daily current affairs. Don't forget to press the bell button.